As far as how this workshop's been going, it's been absolutely amazing. So much great information. Truly the experts in the industry are leading these discussions and these workshops, and it's just been amazing to learn from the best.
We are learning about donation page optimization. That's a really, really important step in the digital fundraising process. It's good to hear a lot of recent testing and basically new things to try, and testing is their whole mantra.
In all these workshops, whether it's on donation pages or anything else in your online fundraising, we are looking at real experimentation. There's lots of different ideas and best practices and all that sort of stuff out there. We want to cut straight through that with data that shows us what meaningfully is moving the needle to get more people to say yes to giving.
I always appreciate an opportunity to learn how to do my job better, how to better engage our donors, and how to better promote the work that we're doing.
I'm most excited to hear about all the new things that they will have for us, because every year that I've come, this is my 4th time, there have been brand new things that I've never considered before that I will be super excited to take back to everyone in my company and just share all these insights and things that we can sort of use to refresh ourselves, especially coming into year end.
The goal of this workshop is really to give people hands-on experience and knowledge on some of the things that we have found that works and what doesn't work on donation pages. We look forward to this event every single year. It gets better and better every single year, and that's really because of the people.
I actually went up to Courtney and had a look at some of the copy that we were working on. She was immediately able to make edits and improvements on it. These guys know their stuff. We're looking forward to just experiencing everything, getting to know different people, see how they're implementing stuff, the struggles that they're dealing with, and hopefully we all get answers to those while we're here during the NIO Summit this week.
We want to see impact go up and see generosity grow, and we're willing to try new stuff to make that happen.